Guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process on how to make use of the Gen 2 Runway AI. So guys, simply go on to the runwayml.com, and once you're right here, simply sign up for free and it's going to take you right onto this dashboard. So once you're right here on this dashboard, go on to videos, go on to generate videos, and once you're right here guys, as you can see, we are going to see the Gen 2 right here creation, which is the text and image to video creation right here, the Gen 2. So simply generate videos using text. So right here, there are three ways whereby you can easily just create a video. You can make use of the text prompts, you can make use of image, and you can also make use of image plus description. So we're going to make use of those three right here. So the first here guys is the text. So use text to describe your scene and see how it moves. So I'm just going to paste in this text right here. Alright, so I'm just going to generate this. So that is it for the text part right here. So next, you want to simply go onto the image, come right here to image. You simply just upload a file right here from your device. I'm just going to tap on this right here, and this will be uploaded right here. So once it's done, we're just going to generate this right here. So that is it for the image. You want to simply drag or drop a file right here, simply generate, and this is going to turn this particular image right here into a video. So right here guys, on the image plus description, I'm just going to delete this right here and simply just upload another image. So as you can see, you can easily make use of this image or drag and drop file. So I'm just going to drag and drop a file right here. So let's simply make use of this file. Let me just let's make use of this. Tap on open right here, and this will be uploaded. So once that is done, let's see how it actually looks like. So you choose an image that you want to convert to video. So that is the image right here. I'm still going to make use of this prompt right here and simply just go on to generate. So right here guys, as you can see, the scene one right here, which is the text, is being generated. Now right here guys, this should be generated into a video, and this should be generated using this images plus description right here. So guys, let's simply wait for this to be done. Let's wait for a few minutes and I'm going to show you how this actually looks like. So guys, as you can see, for the first video, this is how it actually looks like. So let's simply play this. So that is it for the first video. Now go on to the second one. I've been able to turn this into a video right here. I'm just going to play this, and this is how it actually looks like. Wow, it looks so amazing right here. So right here guys, I go on to the next. Wow, it's still generating right here. So let's simply wait for a few minutes for this to be done. Okay, so this guys, as you can see, this is done. So let's simply play this video. So guys, this is how the video actually looks like. So guys, this is how you can actually make use of the Gen 2 Runway AI right here. You want to simply generate an image using text. You can also generate a video right here using an image, and you can also generate a video making use of image plus description right here. So guys, in order for you to make use of the Gen 2 Runway AI, you want to simply watch this video to the very end to learn how to make use of this AI tool called the Gen 2 right here. So guys, simply try out this AI tool called the Runway ML.